Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to take this time to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today's video, we will show you how to make some decorative Christmas wine glasses. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this project, you will need 2 pine cones, 2 wine glasses, a can of paint, a paintbrush, a sponge brush, 2 types of glitter, a bunch of decorative mini pine cones, some leaves, 2 mini snowmen, and a glue gun. All materials that we are using here today will be linked in the description bar below this video. We are going to attach the pine cones to the small containers of paint just so that it won't be difficult while we are trying to paint them. We won't get paint all on our hands and smudge the pine cones. Now on this part, we are texturing the pine cones. If you're one that do not want your pine cones textured, you can skip this part. You know that Christmas is soon approaching and we absolutely love this time of the year. So you're going to see a lot of snowflakes, snow glitter, just that white Christmas. We let the pine cones dry for 30 minutes. Now we are applying the paint. We are now making 2 bows for the wine glass. If you don't know how to make a bow, we will link our bow making video in the description bar below this video. Now, if you're not one who chooses bows, then that's perfectly fine. Just use whatever you desire to use on your wine glasses. You can use brooches. You can become very creative with your wine glass. We just love the bows because it gives it a very Christmas feel, and we like the look of it. It makes it look really soft and elegant. We are now putting everything together. If you like yours more decorative than this, then you can go all out with your bow. You can go all out with the things that you put in your center, but we just wanted to keep it kind of basic but elegant at the same time. So just giving it that Christmas vibe. Part is optional. We are going to just cut our leaves on how the leaves are cut at Christmas time, but you don't have to do that. You can just use regular leaves if you do not want to go through the trouble of cutting your leaves. Just Mod Podging and placing the little crystal beads onto the bottom part of the wine glass. So this does complete our tutorial for today, and if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so that you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until then, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.